Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Mazda CX-7 and your windshield wipers, guys, do not work, or the spray nozzle doesn't work, guys, stay with us and we'll explain, guys, how to fix that, which fuse controls the wipers and the washer pump, all that. We'll explain that today. Also, we have a relay, guys, that we'll have a video for that. In addition, we'll have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know, okay, if that fuse fixed your problem, guys. So thank you for watching and let's start on it now. So let me show you how the wipers now do not work, guys. Okay, I'm going inside now. We're going to go ahead, turn the key on. Okay, let me grab the key quick. Okay, let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. Key is on. Okay. Nothing. You can see they do not work at all, guys. So how we fix that? We turn the ignition off and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse and how to replace it. So by your steering wheel right here, guys, you have one cover with it says fuse box on it. You pull it out, pull up, you get it out of the way. Now the fuse, guys, that we're looking at, okay, let me show you. It's the very last fuse on the right side. Okay, this fuse right here, 20 amp fuse, guys. This is the fuse for the wipers and the pump as well. So we get a big fuse puller, okay, like that. Grab on top of it, okay, and pull this one out. Now this one, let me get new battery for the light so I can explain a little bit better. So this fuse, guys, usually you can tell if it's good or not by looking at the thing inside through the glass. Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may test them with voltmeter. I'll grab a new one quick, guys. Okay, and we're going to push it in now. Okay, push it in. Perfect, like that. I'm going to install the cover because I don't want to lose it. Okay, perfect. And we're going to go ahead and test and see if the wipers, okay, will work now. So ignition on. Okay, and wipers work and the pump works as well, as you can see. So that was the problem in our case, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.